First up tonight, we learn about a list that no police officer wants to be on, and we find out who is on it.
Here's News 4 Tucson investigator Matthew Schwartz with more for you in a report you'll only see on 4.
You probably haven't heard of the Brady List, unless you're a cop or a lawyer. But they know all about it, and by law, you're allowed to know about it too. It's a list that's required to be kept by district and county attorneys' offices of law enforcement personnel who have been found to have lied or done something else dishonest during their career. It is called the Brady List, and it's a bad list to be on if you work in law enforcement. The name stems from a landmark 1963 U.S. Supreme Court case in which the prosecution withheld evidence, violating the defendant's constitutional right to due process.
By definition, at some point in time, they've done something in their past which made their credibility at issue.
Jason Craig is a professor at the U of A Law School and former criminal defense attorney. He says the Brady List can be devastating.
If an officer, for example, has been found to have testified under oath in the past and lied, that officer's credibility as a future witness is severely diminished, right? And so in that officer's career path, it can be a huge deal.
The News 4 Tucson investigators obtained the Brady Lists for local law enforcement agencies after filing public records requests with the Pima County Attorney's Office. We filed the same request with the Sheriff's Department and Tucson Police to cross-check and confirm the county attorney's lists. Here are the results. 16 current employees of the Pima County Sheriff's Department are listed. 14 work in corrections, but only 1 is a deputy. That's out of 1,500 employees.
We're very proud that we have a low number of individuals on the list.
Captain Harold Janes runs the Sheriff's Department's administrative division.
The reason that those individuals are on the Brady List is because based on an official investigation, internal investigation, somewhere throughout that investigation, they were found to be untruthful. We were able to prove that they were in fact telling a lie.
While the Sheriff's Office agreed to that interview, Tucson police spokesman declined to talk on camera about the 7 current TPD employees on the list. The highest ranking is Lieutenant Gregory Mamana. A former TPD lieutenant, Wes Deason, is on the list provided by the county attorney. According to a spokesperson for the Arizona Attorney General, Deason is now a special agent supervisor in the Criminal Division Special Investigations Unit of the AG's Tucson office. An AG spokesman tells us that Deason denies being on the list. However, Chief Criminal Deputy County Attorney Kelly Johnson says Deason is indeed on it. One member of the Arizona Department of Public Safety is listed. A DPS spokesman says CM Diaz is a highway patrol officer assigned to the Tucson district. We reached out to every active employee on the list through their agency's public information officers, asking if they wanted to comment. Not one wanted to.
That officer might be a witness in a future case. And if the officer is a witness in a future case, the prosecutor needs to disclose that information.
We have requested from the county attorney's office the specific reasons that all those individuals are on the Brady List. When we find out, we will report that. The entire list of law enforcement employees who are on the Brady List and currently work in Pima County is on our website, KVOA.com. If you have a story you'd like us to investigate, email us at investigators@KVOA.com or call 955-4444. Investigating for you, Matthew Schwartz, News 4 Tucson.